Welcome back to Cleaning Solutions. My name is Dan Wheeler. Dave King is here, and this lady is Patty Smith, representing Sharp. She brings us revolutionary technology. Hi, Patty.
Hi, Dan. Good to see you.
It's good to see you, and we're both excited to present this because a lot of America hasn't seen this yet. This is new technology that goes beyond what you would think of with a normal air purifier or ionizer. This is something called Plasma Cluster by Sharp. Brand new, it's V20472. We're giving you an extra filter. $389.16 is your introductory price. What does plasma... Well, right there we're seeing a green light. This actually tells you when the air is clean, right?
Yes, it's green now because it's relatively a clean environment. All of a sudden, when it detects some sort of an airborne impurity, like right now it's green, meaning clean, and it just
went blue.
With the clean sign light right here is yellow, slight impurities. If it turns red, I'll probably have another one red. It all of a sudden has gone into a cleaning mode.
So what did you spray in front of that?
Just a little air freshener thing, but it detected airborne impurities, something in the air.
That's how sensitive this is.
Yes.
And so when it does that, then what does that plasma cluster technology do?
Well, it cleans the air similar to the way that nature cleans the environment.
Okay.
In nature, the reason a forest is so crisp and clean is because negative and positive ions are naturally present. So our technology, revolutionary new technology that is unique, emits negative and positive ions and cleans...
Negative and positive ions.
And
a lot
cleans
just
the
emit
air
negative.
in your home similar to the way nature cleans the environment.
Yeah, if you've been outside after a thunderstorm, you know that nature does that. That shearing effect, you smell that fresh air. Well, this is technology that is about as close to that as you can get with the plasma cluster technology.
Absolutely. Never before has concern for clean air been as important as it is today. And Sharp is a name America trusts. We are leaders and pioneers of the most technologically advanced, innovative home appliances and consumer electronics.
And I want you to see how sharp this is. It looks like one of those new flat screen TVs.
Very clean.
Nice and sleek. And look at that. It looks like a high-tech, high-end speaker. It's going to look really sharp in your home. And Sharp has made something that is going to ensure you that you're not breathing in even those very small particles like pet dander.
Exactly. And now that is the active technology, the negative and positive ions.
Right.
But we also have passive technology.
Okay.
Behind this cover here, we have triple filtration. Let me show you because it's quite impressive. First of all, when we take off this cover is a pre-filter. This is completely washable, and this is going to filter out just dust and dirt, and about every
a lot of the bigger stuff.
Yes, about every 2 months or so, a red light will come on. It's a check filter light. It'll be over here, and you'll open up the front, and you'll just vacuum that or wash it.
So this purifier tells you everything you need to do. When it's time to clean that filter, you know. And that's the problem with a lot of the other air purifiers. They get clogged up and dirty before you even know there's a problem.
Absolutely. And the nice thing about this, you can see it working. You can't hear it. You wouldn't think this was even on. No, live, very quiet.
Yeah, so you showed us that first filter. Now, this is amazing. This is a carbon filter?
Active carbon. It looks like a bulletproof vest, and this is completely washable also. But this is long-lasting compared to, look at the common filter that many other air purifiers would use.
A lot of those you have to place very regularly. With this, you don't.
Now,
this lasts a lot longer.
Now, what this is going to do, this is going to filter out household odors, kitchen smells, or pet smells, or even bathroom odors and things. It's amazing the way this works. And then, last but certainly not least, is our true HEPA filter with an antibacterial coating on it. And this filters 99.97% of the pollen and the bacteria and the mold and the pet dander that pass through it.
All right, this is revolutionary technology. Now, you may be looking at that price and thinking, well, that seems a little high for an air purifier, $389.16. You get what you pay for. If you want something that is going to last year in and year out, and that it's going to do the job, not just, pretend to do the job, not get clogged up. This gives you that plasma, revolutionary technology, the plasma cluster, which is actually not just going to draw the dirt in, but it's going to go out and find the dirt and pull it out of the air.
This one's turning red now. It just detected some impurity. I just sprayed some furniture polish.
Let's show them that again, because a lot of people haven't seeing
So
what we're
again,
doing.
right now, because I just sprayed some furniture polish, now it's back to yellow. But when the plasma cluster indicator light turns blue, that means that it's in the cleaning mode. When it goes back to green, it means that it's in an ion control mode, and it's just controlling the clean air in the environment. In my bedroom, for instance, on the other side of the room, when the heat comes on in the winter, the gas heat, this immediately picks up on an airborne impurity and
because
cleans
a lot
the room.
of our vents have dust in them and
Absolutely.
everything, and that's coming out. This is drawing that dust in and cleaning it. It is V20472, brand new, and boy, is it sleek looking. And you're right, you would never know this is on. It makes virtually no noise.
You know, I used to, I love to cook salmon, but I just couldn't stand that smell that lingered for a couple of days. And now when I'm cooking fish, that smell, this autumn, even though it's in the bedroom next to my kitchen, it still picks up on that.
Let's go over and show that then. We got it over here.
I'm gonna blacken some fish, so you're actually
here's
gonna
what we're
see.
gonna watch, guys. We're gonna watch this green up here and watch what happens to
and
that
the
one.
clean sign, because this is
clean.
going to create quite a
Clean
bit of.
sign and the green. We want to see both of those.
This is going to create a lot of smoke too.
Okay, go ahead.
And so the smoke also is a major thing. If you've got smokers in the home,
yeah, smokers, you want to get that smoke out of the air, get it out of your lungs. People are going to be, breathing that in. You don't want that to happen.
so we've got this fish blackening here.
You know what's happening? Our air conditioning is actually blowing the smoke away from the unit here.
But it's picking up on the smoke.
Okay, it could be that our air conditioning is just blowing that smoke away from it. But it is starting to clean that air, taking the smoke out of it. Those are the smaller particles.
We've heard amazing testimonies from pet owners, from people with a lot of smoke.
All right, look at this. They just turned purple, bluish, I guess.
Red. Okay, the blue, yes.
And now that clean sign is important too. It tells you that it's actively cleaning.
Absolutely.
Right in there.
It's cleaning.
Now, what's that timer we have there? 1, 4, and 8. Does that?
That means that you can actually set it to come on and turn off. When you're not at home for 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. We have a special pollen mode too for times when there's a heavy pollen concentration.
Okay, and just to let you know the size of this, it measures 23 inches high by about 16 inches across.
And it covers 253 square feet, which is about a 14 by 18 room.
14 by 18 room. Thank you. So nice to see you, Patty. Stay on the line for B20472, the Sharp Plasma Cluster Air Purifier.